Good afternoon, all of you. Next, we want to discuss median and altitude of a triangle. We just started properties of a triangle, and that is interior and exterior of a triangle, and what is triangular region and different types of triangle that we discussed yesterday. And today it is very important, median and altitude of a triangle. Okay, median is a straight line. Median is a straight line that joins that straight line joins a vertex, okay, to its opposite side. Okay, that vertex joins to its opposite side of midpoint of its opposite side. That is here AD, the line segment AD is the median of this triangle. So how we can define this? It is a straight line that joins a vertex of a triangle, okay, with the midpoint of its opposite side. Okay, midpoint of BC. The midpoint of BC is the point D. Then the vertex joins with that point. Then that line segment is called a median of that triangle. Okay, the line segment joining from one vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. That's called the median of this triangle. So in this figure, AD is median. Okay, the line segment AD is the median. And just like altitude of a triangle, altitude we can define as height of the triangle. It is also a straight line that joins the vertex to its opposite side with the perpendicular, and it is perpendicular to its opposite side. So the line here, the line segment the AE, okay, AE is the altitude. Okay, all of you understand the difference of median and altitude. Altitude will be a line segment with the perpendicular with the 90 degree, making an angle here 90 degree. It should not be midpoint of BC. But median is a line segment joining from one vertex to its opposite side with the midpoint of its opposite side. The midpoint of BC is D. So this line segment is called median. And for altitude, the line segment should be a line joining with a perpendicular angle or 90 degree angle. Okay, so what is an altitude? It is a straight line that joins a vertex of a triangle with a point on the other side, with a point on the side opposite to it, and it is perpendicular to that side. So it will be perpendicular to that side. So this line segment is perpendicular to BC. The line segment AE should be perpendicular to BC. That means this angle should be 90 degree. Then that line segment is the altitude of this triangle. Okay, that is very important. So all of you understand the difference of median and altitude. Median is the line segment with the midpoint of this point D should be the midpoint of BC. That is the specialty of median. It should be the point D should be the midpoint of BC. That will be median. Then altitude, for that this line's altitude should be perpendicular to BC. That means the line segment, that is the midpoint of this, otherwise the intersection point of this should be perpendicular to the line segment AE should be perpendicular to BC. Then that line segment is the altitude of that triangle. Okay, now some properties of triangles we can discuss. First property is angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. What is mean by angle sum property? You know, when we consider any type of triangle, okay, any type of triangle, and when we take its another type of triangle, we can draw with this 90 degree triangle also we can draw. Different types of triangles we marked here, and in this section and one obtuse angled triangle also. This is already obtuse angled. One more, any case when we discuss, okay, Now any type of triangle when we take, and here we know all triangles have 3 vertices, okay, and there will be 3 angles in any case. If it is the name of this triangle is PQR, and suppose this name is XYZ, and this triangle with the name LMN. And all of we know here each triangle have each angles, okay, on the vertex, it form vertex. And when we consider, when we take the sum of these 3 angles, angle A in the first case, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Otherwise, how we can name the angle? For this angle we can name angle CAB or BAC, like that. Okay, now we can simply name angle A. In the first case, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. If you make a cutout of one triangle, and if you measure that angles, each angles when you measure and take the sum for any triangle, you will get its sum as 180 degree. Okay, in any triangle, if suppose if it is an acute triangle or right angle triangle or obtuse triangle or an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, any type of triangle you take, and just to measure the 3 angles and take their sum, then you will get the total as 180 degree. So in the case, second case also, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that also should be 180 degree. Then angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. In this case also, angle L plus angle M plus angle N, that also 180 degree. So this is the one important property, that means angle sum property of a triangle. Yes, what is its mean? When we take the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle, its sum always will be 180 degree. Okay, now today we discussed what is altitude of a triangle, median of a triangle, and also what is the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, all of you study this, all of you read the textbook. First part of this yesterday's class I didn't write its note. It is very simple, we already learned in the lower classes. Anyway, you want to read this part, okay, and you want to understand. Anyway, I already took the class, and also you want to read this part very well. And different types of triangle, I didn't give its note. I only started from median and altitude. Okay, so all of you study well. Our exam is near. After 2 weeks you can expect our annual exam. All of you start studying now itself. Okay, thank you.